Target gift cards that show already used usually mean the card balance was already redeemed. The gift card was linked to another account or transaction, or the purchase needs verification. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check why a Target gift card says it was already used, and what steps to take to fix the issue. Start by checking the gift card balance through Target's gift card balance checker. Enter the gift card information to see whether there is still a remaining balance. If the balance is 0, the gift card may have already been used. Check your recent Target purchases, receipts, and order history to see whether the card was applied to a previous transaction. If you have multiple Target accounts or use Target online and in-store purchases, review your recent activity on each account. The gift card may have been used on an order you do not immediately recognize. If someone gave you the gift card, ask whether they used any part of the balance before giving it to you. A gift card with a redeemed balance cannot be added again after the funds have already been spent. If you purchased the gift card yourself, keep your receipt, activation information, and payment details. Target may request proof that the card was purchased and activated correctly. If the gift card says it was used but you did not redeem it, contact Target Guest Services. Provide the gift card number, purchase receipt, retailer location if applicable, and the exact message you see when checking the balance. Target can review the gift card status and help determine whether the balance was already spent, the card has an activation problem, or another issue needs to be resolved. Avoid sharing your Target gift card number or access information online. Posting gift card details publicly can allow someone else to use the remaining balance. If you bought the card from a third-party seller, keep your transaction records. The seller may need those details to investigate where the gift card came from. To recap, check the gift card balance, review your purchase history, keep your receipt, and contact Target if the card shows used without your permission. Your next step is to check your recent Target orders before replacing the gift card. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other gift card troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.